ka?
Firstly, I would like to congratulate everyone. As early as now, because of this inevitable victory. Ngayon pa lang nakikita natin na patapos na yung laban ito. But it doesn't mean that we will be complacent. Hindi po pwede sabihin natin na patapos na ito, pwede na tayong mag-relax. Kumbaga sa basketball game, tampak na yung kalaban, hindi po pwede mag-relax pa rin. Kaya talagang hindi lang tampak until they are down on their knees and beg to stop the attack. They are very lucky, the armed forces is very lucky, becomes very lucky now. At this point of time of the crisis, we have the best officers here. In the person of starting our West Milcom Commander, KTF Marawi, all of our commanders here, and of course the battalion commanders. And for that, I'd like to have a round of applause to all of you. Ito yung isang part ng history natin. It's a history unfolding right now. Not everyone wishes to participate. And not everybody can be allowed to participate. We have just to choose the right officers, commanders, and people. And that means you. Maraming mga tropa sa buong Pilipinas eager to come here and participate. Pero hindi lahat ay pwede mag-participate. Kaya if you are here right now, you must be very lucky. Because later on, this will become the highlights of your career. Believe me. It will become the highlights of your career. And wherever you go later on, you will always be accredited and recognized for this unfolding story. It is very unfortunate that we have some casualties killed in action and wounded. But then we are taking care of them. Even the particularly the killed in action. Maraming mga concerned citizens as bibigyan ng support. People used to be critical to the armed forces. Some of them, most of them actually, businessmen, they just don't care about the armed forces. But now, you'll be surprised, in one occasion last week, all the tycoons, all the richest people in the Philippines, Lusutan, Domingo Yap, Manny Pangilinan, Sober de Ayala, Gokong Wei, they're all there, pledging support and assistance for casualties. And there was even one businessman. Ayaw niya ng pakilala, ayaw niya sabihin pangalan niya. And he gave 1 million for every family of the Philippines. And he handed to me, at the time, 98 pa yung ating talipang, 98 million pesos. In fact, this afternoon, may naitambak po kami na mayroong lalaki ng family ko, of course, hindi kayang palitan ng